I'm Hal Roussel. I'm going to show you why you shouldn't use certain locks and chains to lock up your precious bicycle that you spend a lot of money for. This is your extremely flimsy chain and lock. Likewise, we have a real flimsy cable and lock. You can probably cut through this in 15 seconds with a small wire cutter. And here we have what looks to be a little bit more substantial, but in reality isn't. We have round chain and a round lock for it. And as you can see, the chain looks more flimsy than the lock, so your standard thief would probably just break the chain. So let's have a go on it and see what small tools I can use to break all these locks. Here's your, looks like a 3 quid side cutter here. Let's see if I can go through any of this with this inexpensive tool here. It's pretty good so far. Got a little dent in it. No, I think we'll just have to get like a workman's tool here. This is what your standard workman would use. You know, he would use this, he'd have it under his coat, you know. So you can't tell if you have a thief or a worksman. And they do that. And you can say goodbye to your bicycle with this little tool that I can almost hide under my coat. Now here's your cable. Here's a pocket size, inexpensive, looks like 5 or 6 quid cable cutter. Let's see how this works. Goodbye. That was 1 second. 1 second. And people lock their bicycles with this thing. Isn't that crazy? I'm a worksman again, and this looks a little bit more substantial, maybe. Snap. That's one end. I'm almost there. Goodbye. 6 seconds. Your bike is now stolen. You worked hard for that bike. You don't want this in a thief's hands. You want to come back to your bicycle and be able to ride back home.